Here's a biosecurity challenge for you. All of us can do really simple things to be biosecurity aware, like making sure that things like the hats, t-shirts and shoes that a lot of us buy online these days are coming from reputable traders. Pests can hide inside packaging and boxes, padded parcels and materials made of plant fibre, wood and fabric. Now, if you did find any suspicious eggs or soil or a dead bug in a package from overseas, don't just throw it out into the recycling or into the bin. Your little purchase could have massive consequences. You need to report it by calling the hotline or take a clear photo of the pest and email it. Key point, you're not going to get into trouble. So think about it. Do your research before you buy and check out the website for little tips and tricks on what you can do to keep anything suspicious out of the country.